guys, today I have an Amazon certified refurbished Echo, second generation. I have a bunch of these around the house. They're fantastic, excellent virtual assistant, awesome for multi-room audio. I would suggest you check them out and get one. Really fantastic. This is a certified refurbished. It costs about $47, something like that. It's well worth it. Normal price is about $100. So let's open it up. It does have the tag at the end here that shows the serial number. It comes in a plain box. I don't think it comes in much different, but there it is. That's how it comes. Basically, you get the speaker, it's wrapped, and you get the power adapter and the instruction booklet, which is here. So check out the link below and go and buy one of these. For that price, it's just a phenomenal item to put in your house for a personal assistant. It's about 47 bucks. I'm gonna hook this up and I'm gonna start enjoying it. Another room with multi-room audio. Have a great day. Oh, and by the way, if you like the channel, just subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you do buy through Amazon, it doesn't cost you anything more. It does help the channel. I really appreciate that. Have a great day, guys.